Welcome to One Stop Science. I'm so excited you're here because today we're diving deep into the weird, the wonderful, and the downright mind-blowing world of science. Get ready for some seriously strange facts, the kind that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about the universe. We're talking about things that sound like they're straight out of science fiction, except they're totally, absolutely, 100% real. So buckle up, get ready to expand your minds, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. You know how in the movie The Curious Case of Benjamin Button, Brad Pitt's character ages in reverse? Well, get this. The immortal jellyfish does something kind of similar. This little creature, and I mean little, it's about the size of your pinky nail, can actually revert back to its polyp stage after becoming sexually mature. It's like a teenager getting a do-over, but instead of just reliving their awkward years, this jellyfish can potentially live forever. Scientists are still trying to wrap their heads around how this works, but it just goes to show you the natural world is full of surprises. Okay, get ready to have your mind blown because we're about to enter the seriously strange world of quantum mechanics. Imagine two particles, right? They're best buds, totally connected. Now separate them, really far apart, like opposite ends of the galaxy, far, far away. Here's the crazy part. You do something to one particle and the other one instantly reacts even though they're light years apart. It's like they have some kind of secret telepathic connection that defies the laws of physics as we know them. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance, and honestly, that's a pretty accurate description. Back in 1977, a team of astronomers at Ohio State University picked up a powerful radio signal from space that lasted a full 72 seconds. It was so strange, so unexpected that astronomer Jerry Aikman wrote "wow" on the printout and the name stuck. What was this mysterious signal? Was it a message from an alien civilization? Sadly, despite numerous attempts to find it again, the "wow" signal has never been detected again. It remains one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in astronomy, leaving us all to wonder, are we alone in the universe? Or did someone or something try to contact us that day? Move over, superheroes, because there's a new contender for the toughest creature alive, and it's smaller than a grain of sand. Tardigrades, and also known as water bears or moss piglets, are microscopic animals that can survive just about anything you can throw at them. Boil them, freeze them, blast them into the vacuum of space, no problem. Tardigrades just shrug it off and go about their business. They're like the Chuck Norris of the microscopic world, and scientists are studying their incredible resilience to learn how we might apply it to human biology and space travel. Hold on to your hats, science fans, because things are about to get really weird, really fast. Imagine shining a beam of light through two slits. You'd expect to see two bright lines on the screen behind it, right? Well, that's not what happens. Instead, you get an interference pattern, like waves overlapping each other. Okay, weird, but maybe light is just weird. Now, fire individual particles like electrons. At the slits, you'd think they'd go through one slit or the other, creating two lines. Nope, they create an interference pattern too. It's like they're acting like waves, even though they're particles. This mind-bending experiment suggests that the very act of observing something can change how it behaves. The human mind is a powerful thing, and the placebo effect is a prime example. Give someone a sugar pill and tell them it's a powerful painkiller, and chances are they'll experience some relief. It's not just their imagination either. Studies have shown that placebos can cause real, measurable changes in the brain and body. The placebo effect highlights the incredible connection between our minds and bodies, and scientists are still trying to understand exactly how it works. It's a reminder that sometimes just believing something can be enough to make it real. Here's a real head-scratcher. Scientists estimate that about 85% of the matter in the universe is made up of something called dark matter. The catch? We can't see it, we can't touch it, and we can't directly detect it with any of our instruments. So how do we know it's there? Well, we can observe its gravitational effects on galaxies and other celestial objects. It's like trying to figure out what's inside a sealed box by shaking it and feeling its weight. Dark matter is one of the biggest mysteries in modern astrophysics, and scientists are hard at work trying to unlock its secrets. Ever get the feeling that your memory is playing tricks on you? Like you could have sworn something happened one way, but it turns out you're misremembering? Now imagine that same feeling, but shared by thousands, even millions of people. That's the Mandela effect, named after the widespread belief that Nelson Mandela died in prison in the 1980s, when in reality he passed away in 2013. From movie quotes to product logos, there are countless examples of the Mandela effect. And while some explanations range from alternate realities to faulty memories, the true cause remains a fascinating mystery. Given the vastness of the universe and the sheer number of stars and planets out there, it seems statistically improbable that we're alone, right? So where is everybody? That's the Fermi paradox in a nutshell. Named after physicist Enrico Fermi, this paradox highlights the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the lack of evidence for it. Are we overlooking something? Are advanced civilizations deliberately hiding from us? Or are we truly alone in this vast cosmic ocean? The Fermi paradox is a sobering reminder of how much we still don't know about the universe and our place in it. What if everything we know, everything we experience isn't real? What if we're all just living in a highly advanced computer simulation, like characters in a giant video game? That's the premise of the simulation hypothesis, a mind-bending idea that has gained traction in recent years. While it may sound like something out of the Matrix, some physicists and philosophers argue that it's impossible to rule out the possibility that our reality is not what it seems. It's a thought-provoking concept that challenges our very understanding of existence. Wow, we've covered some seriously weird and wonderful science today. From immortal jellyfish to the mysteries of dark matter, the universe is full of surprises that keep scientists guessing. If you enjoyed this journey into the strange side of science, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to One Stop Science for more mind-blowing content. Remember, curiosity is the driving force behind all scientific discoveries, so keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop being amazed by the world around us. Thanks for watching.